Hi little learners. Today we learn daily basic English sentence. Are you ready to learn? Let's start. You look great today. You look great today. Let's take a photo. Let's take a photo. I love cat. I love cat. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. Be careful. Be careful. Let's go. Let's go. How much is this? How much is this? It's 30 rupees. It's 30 rupees. I am tired. I am tired. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Do you like coffee or tea? Do you like coffee or tea? I love coffee. I love coffee. I need to go now. I need to go now. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching Little Learners Club. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.